Yo, what is up guys, it's Techi here back in the video, and today guys, I'm going to be going ahead and answering the question on whether or not you should update your iPhone 6 to iOS 12. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright, starting off, let's just start by talking about specs. Though I do see a tiny performance drop while upgrading to iOS 12, it isn't as bad as, say, upgrading from iOS 10 to iOS 11. Also, iOS 12 does bring some very nice features and also some very needed bug fixes, so I would say that it would be more than okay to make a tiny bit of sacrifice. However, even though Geekbench does show a small percentage drop, browsing through everyday apps and playing the occasional games don't seem to lose too much performance. Also, Apple also promises 70% faster swipe to camera, 50% faster keyboard display, and finally 2 times faster app launch. Although while I was testing it, the performance was not too obvious, I would definitely tell that it is improved a little bit. So again, even though a small percentage of performance is dropped, browsing through everyday apps still feels great. Also, with the great bonus features and bug fixes in iOS 12, I personally feel that it is a great OS and that you should definitely upgrade to it if you still have an iPhone 6. Alright, so guys, that's it for today's video. Leave your comments in the comment section below on your experiences of iOS 12 and whether or not people should upgrade to it. Anyways, thanks for watching again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to watch more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys all in the next video.